Hi guys, I just want to thank you all for the contributions to our GoFundMe campaign. We are all connected, and it truly is a reality that we are all connected, and we appreciate everything that you have sent our way. The love, the dollars, every dollar counts. I just want to take a moment to thank our team. Erica has been amazing, behind the scenes, an unsung hero, and now she is bringing her craniosacral therapies to phone sessions. Yes, it can be done. Give it a shot. It's amazing what can be done over the phone just by communicating and connecting, because the reality is we are all connected. I also want to thank Joanna. She's amazing, an amazing healer, amazing spirit, and she is bringing it. As well, Zoe has opened up and blossomed into this amazing, intuitive, psychically charged healer. And I just want to thank you all for the whole team, the whole community. It's a beautiful thing that we're bringing forth, and we are just so thankful. We are a third of the way towards our goal of $9,000 to be able to keep our center open, and it is just I feel so filled with gratitude for all the anonymous donors, all the donors that, I wish I can thank you all by name, but thank you anyway. Thank you. It's all about giving and receiving, and we are keeping that energy flow open, and I'm loving the dialogue, and I'm just full of gratitude, full of thank yous to you all. Share this with your friends, share this with people in our community, because now more than ever, we need to carve out the kind of community that we desire to have. And if you feel that three elements represents and brings the kinds of quality care in health, in wellness, in awareness, then that's something that you should support, and it's something that you should spread around. We need community now more than ever. We're going to need it even more in the near future. Let's work together to have the things in our community that we desire to see. Thank you. Again, this is Chris Lovren, and I'm wishing you health, wellness, awareness, and community.